Hey everyone, welcome back to DevX Gaming. Today, we're not just playing games, we're coding one. I'll walk you through how to write a simple rock, paper, scissors game in Python where you face off against the computer. Let's get started. So at the very top of the code, we import two modules, random and time. Random is used so the computer can pick rock, paper, or scissors randomly. Time lets us add delays, just to make the ending feel smoother. Then we create a class called rock_paper_scissors. Inside this class, we define two variables, my_score and computer_score, both starting at 0. These will keep track of the scores throughout the game. Next, the program asks for your name using input. Whatever you type is stored in the name variable, so we can personalize the messages. Then we create a list called list1 with the 3 choices, rock, paper, and scissors. Now comes the main loop, the while true block. This runs forever until the player decides to quit. Inside the loop, we first display the current scores for you and for the computer. Then the player types their choice using input, and we convert it to lowercase to avoid case errors. For the computer, we use random.choice list1 to pick rock, paper, or scissors. That's what makes the game feel unpredictable. This section looks long, but it's just a series of if and elif statements. These conditions check every possible outcome. If both the player and computer pick the same choice, it's a draw. Each side gets half a point. If your choice beats the computer, for example, paper beats rock, rock beats scissors, or scissors beat paper, you get a full point. Otherwise, the computer gets the point. This logic is repeated for each possible case so the game can decide the winner correctly. After each round, the program asks if you want to exit. If you type yes, it thanks you for playing and uses time.sleep to add a little pause between messages, making the ending feel more polished. Then it prints the final scores for both the player and the computer, and the game exits. If you type anything else, the loop continues and you can keep playing. And that's it. You've just learned how to write rock, paper, scissors in Python, complete with scoring, loops, and conditions. If this breakdown helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other games or code tutorials you want me to cover next. This is DevX Gaming, where gaming meets coding.